Hi everyone, in this video I will show you 5 new unique methods to make money and build a business with AI.
And as usual, I have done my homework. This is a 6 steps process called Sparky, and I am excited about the second one because you'll start making money.
Not only that, on each method I will share with you a real practical example I built and I will share with you so you can easily replicate and test by yourself. If you are ready,
Let's go.
start it. This video is sponsored by HubSpot. So let's start with method number 1, which I call selling AI-powered data analysis report. It seems somehow weird, but with the example you get the idea.
Well, wait a minute. This is not only technical. It's way too boring. I want to avoid that because he already started with step number 2. Let me show you what. Let's take a little step forward and go to somewhere here.
Analysis, discover patterns, generate a simple report, and deliver to your client. And speaking of data, recently I came across a great resource from HubSpot.
So he started from data related tool and then he transitioned to a data related special report by HubSpot. By the way, is there anyone stopping you from smashing the like button? If not, gently smash the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Because the only reason we make these videos is to help wonderful people just like you. And when you like this video, share with your friends and family and watch the full video and even comment with questions or your thoughts. YouTube will pick this video up as an important video and show it to more and more people. More people will get the benefit of this content. And inshallah, you will get a part of the blessing. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we need your help. Please consider subscribing to our channel because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 30 days. And it's only possible if you start it. And when you share this video with your friends and family, ask them to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button as well. We will be extremely thankful to you. And when you switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next one. Who knows, maybe the next video is the ultimate missing piece that can take you from where you are to your goal. I'll give you a second for like, share, subscribe, and let's go back to the video.
Free resource called The State of Marketing 2025. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, this report is a gold mine. It reveals practical insights into exactly how leading marketers are leveraging AI to achieve remarkable growth.
Which is amazing. HubSpot is a great tool and a great resource for this kind of amazing information. And because of their brand, they do their best to keep their information and reports legit.
When you download this free report, you will discover actionable strategies that top marketers use to transform AI-driven personalization into real sales growth.
Did you notice what he said? Personalized marketing, which means if you are interested in this pen, you'll see more content and more ads on this pen.
Learn why 96% of marketers attribute increased sales directly to personalized marketing powered by AI. Plus, if you are curious how influencer marketing is evolving, this report breaks down.
Some call it influencer economy. Right now, whether you like it or not, whether you want to show your face or not, if you want to make money, you have to get involved in some kind of influencer marketing, whether you do it yourself or somebody does it on your behalf, because influencers have the maximum influence on the buyers.
Why brands today are giving priority to micro-influencers to build deeper, more authentic connections. There's even a great prediction about the rise of AI-generated influencers.
Which means influencers that are not real. AI-generated influencers.
Something every marketer should keep an eye on. And more importantly, this report will equip you.
And AI-generated influencers will completely replace showing face on the camera, which is probably the number one objection for everyone. Every day I speak to someone on DMs, they say, Mosh, I don't want to show my face on the camera. AI-generated influencers are the solution for that. Now, at any point, if you think it's a lot of work, you are a busy dad or a busy mom, or you have a 9-to-5 day job, then don't worry. The people I'm showing you, they are the real members earning real money from our program, and our program is 99% done for you. You can go to the link in the description and watch this free training, completely free to watch training, and learn about our 99% done for you program. It's a complete step-by-step program. It will answer most of your questions. If you still have questions, chat with this AI chat agent. It is trained to answer just like me. And if you still have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram or a message on Facebook Messenger, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions.
With insights on how successful brands are shifting their focus from just increasing traffic to capturing audience attention with AI-generated storytelling. I will leave a link to the full free report in the description below so you can download and explore the full report and insights yourself.
At this point, let me take you to the step number 2. Promote smart as an affiliate marketer. And did you notice what he has just done? He started with the topic AI data spy application, and then he transitioned to something that he is promoting as an affiliate. He built a nice bridge between these two. Now, before I show you the money, let me show you how affiliate marketing works. I generated this image using AI just for you to explain how affiliate marketing works. So let me show you the steps. First, I went to ChatGPT and used 4.0 version. Then I clicked these 3 dots and select this create image option. And I just asked, draw a colorful comic to explain affiliate marketing. And it's a comic. It's a good one. It explains how affiliate marketing works, but it's boring. Look at this. So I went to Claude Sonnet 3.7, and I gave a rough idea that I had in mind. And I said, improve the image prompt. And Claude gave me a detailed image prompt. I could have never written anything like this myself. Then all I needed to do is copy by clicking here. And then I went to ChatGPT, created an image with this prompt. And here is how it looks. It is good, but I wanted a little more contrast, a little more bright colors. And I wanted in 16:9 ratio. So I got a new one, but it's not that bright. So I said, hey, use bright colors, but it became too yellow and it looks like volcanic eruption. Plus, I needed to add an interesting name on the superhero's chest. So here we are. This is the final version. And here is how affiliate marketing works. This is a product creator or a product owner. He needs customers. Without customers, he makes no money, so he is sad. And this is a product buyer who has a problem. He's looking to solve his problem with a product. So he's browsing online using his laptop, looking for the product. The product owner and the customer don't know each other. As a savior, here comes our Captain Super Affiliate. His job is to introduce the customer to the product. This customer is a big fan of this super affiliate. So when Captain Super Affiliate says, hey, I just found the right product you are looking for. Here we go. The moment this customer purchases using the link of our Captain Super Affiliate, our Captain Super Affiliate earns a commission. This is how affiliate marketing works. And he has done an excellent job promoting HubSpot. Now you must be curious, where is HubSpot affiliate program? How can I become an affiliate? Good question. Just Google HubSpot affiliate program. You'll be taken to this link. Click here, and from this page, click to become an affiliate. Fulfill all their requirements, contact them to become an affiliate. Once you are approved, you collect your link and promote their affiliate link. How much money can you make? Up to $1,000 per sale. You will also earn 30% recurring commission for every customer you refer successfully, and it's free to join. However, if this still sounds technical and you think you need guidance, you are brand new and you have a 9-to-5 day job or an existing business, so you have very limited time, then consider clicking the link in the description and watch this free training about our 99% done for you program. After watching this full training, if you still have questions, ask this AI chat assistant. It will answer all your questions. If you want to speak to me one-on-one, ask me questions one-on-one, simply DM me on Instagram or on Facebook, and I'll be more than happy to answer. Is anyone getting benefit from our program? Yes. Our beginner members are earning $500 affiliate commission, sometimes $300. Oh, $500 again. Fatin and Aisha earned multiple high-ticket commissions. They live in Canada. Daryl lives in Abu Dhabi. Anna lives in UK. Salman lives in Belgium. If they can do, inshallah, you can do as well. This training is completely free to watch. Don't do the disservice to yourself by not watching this free training. Link is in the description. And now, my friend, we are ready to learn more about his idea on
Discover method number 2, which is AI-powered affiliate marketing advisors. The idea is very simple. You help users choose something, and when they buy that something, you will earn a commission through affiliate links. And the operation is powered by AI.
We already know about it, right? It's the Captain Super Affiliate thing.
Let me show you a real example I built. This is the free domain name generator tool I built on Promoter Kit, which is a WordPress website, by the way. So, for example, here, you describe your business. A website for teaching English for kids, for example. You select how many domains you want as a user and click on generate. Now, this magical tool, using AI, will generate domain names that fits your business. Let's see this in action. So we got these domains and will turn green if the domain is available. You can see now we have multiple domains that are available. Let's say the user picked up this domain and wants to buy it. They will click on register domain here and will take them, for example, here to name Silo, to buy this domain, but using my affiliate link. So what I did simply here is I'm helping users for free to discover a domain name for their next business. And when they buy it, they are buying it through my link. So connecting AI advisors with affiliate marketing is a new way to promote affiliate links.
We learned something new and we want to implement. But before we start, we should do our own due diligence by doing our own research. And for that, we have Perplexity AI. So I said, I want to know affiliate program details of name silo. I added a little more details about how I want the answer to be structured in order for me to be able to get all the information fast and easy. And now AI is taking care of my research job. You might be wondering why we use AI to do our research. Because look at this, AI is researching on 29 websites at a time. And research task has been identified as the most boring task and one of the main reasons for stopping people from not taking action. Okay, cool, we got some answer. Their commission rate is 10% on the first order by new customers. What? I mean, people buy domain names and they pay recurring fees every year. When you promote and sell a domain, you only earn 10% on the first order, which means if the domain price is $10, then 10% commission will be just $1. Come on. How much are you going to make from this $1 commission? But wait, you may earn thousands of dollars selling domains if you know what I know. So keep watching. The payment method is PayPal, where you have to earn minimum $50 to get paid. And you will have to pay 2% PayPal fees. If you don't have PayPal, don't go for it. As a con side of this affiliate marketing program, Perplexity said exactly what I told you just now. No recurring commissions. You only earn once per referral's first purchase. Do you like it? I don't. Here is another advice why you shouldn't join this affiliate program. If you are looking for recurring commissions or higher payout fees, this program may not meet your expectations. Our affiliates earn $500 commissions for one sale. Why would you earn $1 commission? But if you stay till the end of the video, I will share how you can make $4,000 commission from name silos. So let's go keep watching and learning. Now here is some of the ratings out of 5. Ease of joining, 5 out of 5. Super easy. Commission rate, 4 out of 5. Because I told you there are some opportunities you can make thousands of dollars from domains. Cookie duration, 5 out of 5. 1 year, awesome. Payment flexibility, not so flexible, but still 4 out of 5 because most people have PayPal. Marketing tools provided. They provide you marketing tools. Recurring income potential, not good.
And if you are wondering what powerful ideas we have to apply this strategy, number one, for example, I mentioned it before on the channel, which is hosting advisors. You help them pick the right hosting for their business, and using your affiliate link, they will buy your hosting. Second, AI course selector. Today we have thousands of online courses. If you build a tool that helps user pick the right course for them, you can use your affiliate links, for example, on Udemy or anywhere else to earn commissions on every sale. Another example, you can suggest camera gear or setups like cameras, microphones for YouTubers based on their budgeting, based on their needs and so on. Powered by AI will give them the perfect kit and they will buy it using an affiliate link, for example, on Amazon or any other website. You can also create a tool to find the perfect software for their needs. For example, the best AI tool, the best email marketing service, and so on. We have a lot of ideas. Go now, brainstorm, and discover some ideas yourself.
Let me help you do your homework. Let's go back to our superhero for a moment. Did you notice how our superhero became a superhero and he made the money? This superhero knows about great products. Amazing. Who doesn't know about great products? You know, I know, everybody knows. Just search Google and you will find. But who knows about customers? Do you? If you don't know customers, then you will not make money as a super affiliate. Something to think about. So I'm going to share what we teach to our 99% done for you program students about how to get customers for free without running paid advertisement. Every single day I wake up in the morning, I come to my desk and I do one thing. I use AI and I learn about something, some skills, some knowledge, and using AI, the whole process is fast. Now, while learning a new lesson or skill, I also have to learn how to use AI. Now, if I combine these two experiences of using AI and learning about a new skill, I can create literally unlimited number of short form videos, which are like 30 seconds to 60 seconds long. And then I upload every single video on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. These platforms send me free viewers. All these viewers are potential customers. Now here is a trick. our videos are structured in a way that they drive our viewers to an AI-powered automated sales funnel. This sales funnel does the selling on our behalf. And when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commissions. And the reason our students love our program is because it is 99% done for you. Are you curious about the done for you thing? This example will help you understand. This is how our real life business looks like. Let's say a coffee shop. Coffee shops use automatic coffee machines, and they have multiple coffee options like cappuccino, americano, mochaccino, etc., etc. They have sugar, coffee beans, water, milk or coffee mate, and they have a coffee pouring system from the coffee machine to the mug and electric power to run the coffee machine. And the coffee machine itself. All these create products. A product that you sell and make money. But where is the money, my friend? Money is in the pockets of the customers. So when customers buy your product, which is coffee, you make money. Now here is how digital products or digital business looks like. In digital business also, you'll have multiple products. Like you can have a software, a book, a course, a masterclass, templates, downloadables, printables, graphic design. You will need websites. You'll have to write emails to promote. Sales copy is the message written on your email, your promotions, your ads, and your websites. And a product delivery system when customers purchase. And the power that drives the product machine is AI. And the whole system that runs the product is called funnel. And as usual, customers. And on the internet, we use another term called traffic. Traffic are the same people before they make a purchase. And traffic becomes customers after they purchase. And in our 99% Done For You program, we do all these things on behalf of our members. So they do not need to worry about creating product, doing graphic design, building website, writing emails, scratching their heads for writing sales copy. They do not need to worry about product delivery or customer support. Heck, they do not even have to worry about AI because we set it up for them. So the whole money machine, which is the funnel, is built, set up, managed by us on behalf of our beginner members. The only thing they do is get traffic, and our high converting funnel turns those traffic into customers. Now here is a question to you. If you want to launch your own coffee shop, what would you do? Option A, would you get every piece and put them together and install all by yourself? Or option B, simply hire experts to install for you so you can get customers and sales as fast as possible. Of course, you will choose option B. You will hire experts and professionals to do the work on your behalf done for you. Now you understand why it is so simple for our beginner members to earn commissions like this. And you, my friend, can start by watching this free training from the link in the description. Now answer to that big question. How can you make big commissions selling simple domains? You see, not all domains cost $10. There are premium domains that will cost you thousands of dollars, if not even millions of dollars. Now, here is an example. Affordable AI. I'm not asking you to buy it, by the way. It's just an example and nothing else. Don't come back and ask me about this question. I have no idea who this belongs to. I am not an affiliate. All I'm doing here is just showing you a premium domain where the minimum bid is $43,911. And if you are the affiliate who is promoting this, then after the sale, you will earn 10%, which is $4,000 commission. And of course, it's a problem. $43,000 domains are not sold every day. So yeah, you will make 10% commission, but it's not going to happen frequently. In order to make regular and frequent commissions, you need to mix up low ticket, high ticket, recurring, all kinds of products, and basically run the whole business through an automated system. Did we learn something about affiliate marketing? I try my best to make it simple, straightforward, so you can try yourself and start making money from the videos alone. And if you think we have done a great job, please smash the like button. Share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and make sure you switch on the notification bell button. And honestly, I need this a lot because we have a goal to get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And we can't achieve it without your help. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button. And to learn more money techniques, watch these videos and these videos, and we will see you on the next one.